tulog. Sayang ang view dahil tulog sila. So hindi na nila makita to bukas ng ganitong oras. Kasi pabalik na kami ng Calgary. So yan ang view namin here. Yan. So ang ganda ng view kasi ang ganda ng sikat ng araw, na sikatan siya. Ang ganda ng panahon today. Sarap maglakad. Actually naglakad kami from the tunnel. So ito yung tunnel. Ito. Pabalik dito, binaybay namin hanggang doon sa dulo. So sarap maglakad-lakad here. At least nakapaglakad-lakad kami. Tsaka hindi na din ganun kainit. Kaya tungtuwa yung mga tao dyan maglakad. Ganda din maglakad-lakad. Ayan. So ganito yung style pala dito, na yung mga parking nila is lahat may bayad. Even here sa hotel, I think 29 ang bayad namin per night. So kahit na naka-in ka here, you have to pay your parking. Parang ganun. So magastos dito din sa Niagara kasi nga yung tax nila here is I think 13%. Yun, compared sa Calgary which is only 5%. So yun lang ang vlog namin. Ewan ko makapag-vlog pa kami and share ko nung mga view namin tomorrow. Pero yun nga, nung papunta dito kasi is wala nga masyadong magandang view. Going here is something like a city kasi siya. So yan. Ayan ang view. Namnamin na habang andito pa.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Yan, breakfast muna kami. Before packing again, nakapag-pack na kami ng konti, pero yun nga, hindi pa napulido kasi pa Toronto na kami mamaya. So this is our last day guys in this hotel dito sa Embassy Suites. Yan. Maganda naman tong hotel na to, no?
Maganda pa ba sa anak ko?
Breakfast is on the 9th floor. Yan. So dito sa Embassy Suites merong free breakfast good for 2 adults and 2 kids.
Lexa! How's your sleep?
How's your sleep?
Good?
Ganda ang mood ng pamilya kasi maaga kami natulog. Nakapagpahinga ng hapon din. Yan. Okay, Dexa. Come on, Dexa. Hey, Dexa, go ahead. Dexa, go ahead. Ganito dito sa embassy. Yan, so lilinya. Last day!
Stay na kayo.
Yes. Balik ka na sa trabaho. Ayan, order yung dalawa ng juice nila. So, parang ganda ng araw na to. Kasi kagabi parang gulo-gulo namin. Wala kaming upuan, ganon. So, it's the same breakfast as they are offering here. Ayan, sausage. Ewan ko kung anong pangalan nito ulit. Egg. And then I think Daddy is getting some scrambled egg again. Yeah. And then tingnan ko ang view naman. Ayan, ang ganda. So this is our view sa table namin. Ayan. So nice. Mamaya magpa-picture tayo. So I'm waiting for them. Ang laki ng breakfast area na to. Yan, ang Embassy Suites. Yeah. Ayan, so nakakuha si Daddy ng omelette. Ang haba nga lang ng pila. So coffee, they have also free coffee. Dexa, I did not put that one in the ano be. Ito. Cereal. And then, Dad, lagyan mo ng ganito. Hindi ko pa nalagyan lahat. So yan, ang ganda ng view ng family while having our breakfast. Ayan. Ayan, kain muna. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. Ayan, Dexy, hi. Magpicture pa ata yung mabaita. So yan, the family is ready to Toronto. Ready going to Toronto, checking out. Okay, check out time. So yan. Ito yung embassy suites na to. So ilalagay na nila yung mga luggage dun sa car. And then mag-check out ako. So ito yung front desk. Sorry. Yeah. So front desk ng embassy suites. Yan. So mayroon silang restaurant here. Fridays kung saan kami nag early dinner. Meron din silang mga gift shop here. So ito yan. Yan. Checking out time. Yan ang lobby nila. Daming tao nga lang dito compared sa Marriott. Ayan. After an hour, nandito na ata kami sa Toronto. Toronto na ba to? Ayan. So, dadaan tayo sa bridge. Bridge Dexa. So, nagising si Dexa. Pagod na si Daddy. Nag-drive. 1 hour and then ate tulog. Ayan. Si ate tululaway tulog. Ayan. Dexa, are you ready? My bridge, baby. Come on. See the bridge. Si Dexa naglalaglago na. Mag-ulit daw siya. Ayan. Oh, may ano dito. Oh. They have bridges here. Okay. Ito na, Dexa. Ito na, Dexa.
Are you ready?
Ayan. Dadaan tayo sa bridge, Dexa.
Are you ready?
Naaliw lang namin si Dexa kasi nainip na siya sa biyahe. Oh my God, Dexa! It's a nice view here. So, malaking body of water din pala itong meron sila here in, I think, Toronto na ata ito, Dexa. Yan, kapag may biyahe kami, naaliw lang namin mga bata. Kaya parang sa vlog namin, where I'm just making the kids comfortable kasi nga medyo malayo-layo yung travel. So, see you again! Yan, Toronto downtown. So, sa
Keep
lang
left.
namin dalhin yung mga bata. So, let's see kasi time check, it's 12. So, kailangan namin bumalik sa airport around 5. Ganun. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Mga 3 hours lang siguro kami mag-ikot-ikot here. Yan. We'll just see kung anong meron. Kasi ayaw namin tumagal kasi baka ma-traffic ang some of the review na nabasa ni Dexy is ma-traffic nga dito sa downtown. So, yan. Share namin ang view pag nakarating kami dun sa destination na pupuntahan namin. Ito pala ang Toronto. So, ayan, ang daming building din na matataas here. Ayan siya. So, I think this one is their downtown. So, ayan lang din ang peg nila. Ayan, so, ang maganda ata dito sa kanila is may mga bodies of water here. Ayan siya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan, dumaan kami here. Sobrang ihina kami. Wala kami nakita na likuan. So, good thing tong park na to. Andito, may washroom sila. Ayun si Daddy, nag-washroom there. So, ang ganda ng pantalan na to. Pantalan ba tawag dito? Port or anything. Yeah, doon nakikita ang CN Tower. Yan ang ganda here. Yan. Hindi na kami tumagal kasi nga bawal pala dito mag-park. So, nakaganyan lang sa gilid. Tara! Yeah. Let's go! So, yan, ganito din ang kanilang train. Is this a train? Yeah. Or bus. Ganito ang kanila sa Toronto.
Turn left.
Yan, kanilang downtown.
The downtown is better.
Yan ka na naman, Dexa. Lipustahin mo na naman ang Calgary.
Calgary downtown is better because I have a stampede.
Yung pala eh. Ito naman ang kanilang
Iba train nila, itsura ng train.
bridge. Ayan naman ang kanila.
Turn right.
view here. Taas ng mga tower nila here. Okay, ayan ang CN Tower. Yan siya, CN Tower. Hello. Wala masyadong sasakyan o bumabiyahe ata dito, dada. Tama ba tong daan natin? Ito meron naman.
May madrawing siya. Bakit madrawing niya yung anak na yung kanya?
Ang ganda din ng kanilang view here. Iba din sa Calgary. Although we have our Calgary Tower na hindi pa namin napuntahan. Ayan din oh. Oh, ito may daan dun oh. Ginawa nila, tinan nyo oh. Nag-H sila oh. Shake hands yung mga building, Dexa. Dexa, did you see the building? They shake hands. There! You see? Shake hands!
They do their shake hands.
Yeah. They do shake hands.
What's chicken?
The building! You see that?
They shake each other hands.
Ang daming construction naman here. No? Ito na mo.
Looban yung kanya.
Parang likod. Yeah.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Hindi sa main. Parang ang dami pang construction here. So 2 to 3 years, sobrang ganda na din here siguro kasi nga ang daming construction. Marami silang pinapalitan ng mga old siguro na mga establishments. Yeah.
Have they braided your head?
Yes. So ito ang Toronto.
Turn left.
Turn back.
Toronto. Toronto. Yan. Tama ba ang bigkas natin? Dex ha? Kasi ito yung mga critics ko, yung mga anak ko. Dati kasi sabi ko, syempre, laging Pinas tayo, it's Toronto.
In 200 meters,
It's not Toronto.
turn
like
right.
Toronto.
And then turn left.
Toronto. Oh, that's good. Oh, ang ganda din ang kanilang downtown here. Oh, ganda.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Sensya na maingay lang si Waze namin nung ko. Hindi namin ma-adjust ang sounds niya. Ayaw namin magkalikot. Kasi hindi mo naman sasakyan sa rental car. Ganda din. Ooh, ang taas na ito. Ang taas niya. Ayan, nabas 14. Ayan. Sa lansangan kami ng Toronto. Yeah. Ganito din dito. Tapos, ito yung parang train nila. Ayan. Naglakad kami kasi nagpark kami dun sa TD Tower. Here. So, ito yung nadaanan namin. Ang ganda nito. Ano? Parang old na simbahan. Ayan siya. Dexa, can you please hold Addie's hand? So, punta kami doon sa Toronto na signage na yon. So, ang ganda ng TD nila here. Ayan. Pagod ako sa lakad. You see that one, guys? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Tatawid kami here. Punta kami dun sa signage na yon. Yeah. Ayan. So, City Hall. Nathan Phillips Square. So, ito yun. Yung may signage na to. Let's go! Dexa! Hey! Don't go anywhere, bebe! Don't go anywhere. Go to daddy! Ayan, downtown. Ayan. Nagmamadali kami. Kasi di namin kabisado yung place. So, may mga ganito pala here. Hirap ng parking. So, nag-park kami dun sa TD Tower na yun. Oh, yan na siya! Hello, Toronto, Dexa! Kaway-kaway, Toronto! Oh, ito yung noon sa Toronto. Din. Yan. So, yan. Let's take a picture! Yeah. Okay, let's go, guys! So nice here too, guys. Daddy, here. Oh, come on, Dexa! Dexa. Nakarating ka? Yay! You did it! Hey! Don't get me! Kinuha ko ni Dexa. Kinuha ko ni Dexa. Oh, Dexa! Tara na! Ayan, so marami din construction ulit here. Dito kami sa CN Tower. Silip lang. Ayan, so punta kami doon. Nag-park lang kami sa gate. Ayan. Dexa is here on CN Tower. So ayan siya. Ayan, so maglit lang kami here. Saglit lang, as in magpapapicture lang kami saglit. See where we'll go to airport na mamaya kasi yung traffic ngayon na iwasan namin. So tara. So, ayan siya. So harapan pala niya ang Aquarium of Canada. Although hindi na kami makapunta. Let's go. So ito na siya. Sa malapitan. Ayan. There! Parang wala dito yung parang dati may nakita akong CN Tower. Kanina naman. I don't know what side is that. Siguro bandang doon. Let's see. Hanap natin yung CN Tower na yun. O yan, may ganito sila here. Yan, ito yung kakaiba na wala sa Calgary. So they have a bus like this. Yan. Yan. Ang cute. Yan. So ito yung pinaka-center niya. Ito yung known siya. So we will go there sa CN Tower na yun. Yan siya. Ayan, so ito yung aquarium here. Maganda din sana kung may time kami. Kaso wala nga. So ito yung paligid. Tapos pipila kami for this signage nila. So may pila dito. Sa harapan ng tower. Ayan, ang tower. Oh, taas! Oh my God! Nakakatuwa naman. Ayan. So nakapila na sila. Wait namin ang turn namin para makapagpa-picture din. Yan ang crowd. Toronto! Blue Jays! Ang cute! Ang cute dito, Dad. Oh. Ayun, taas niya. So, looking around. Si Daddy namin. That's so cute. Laki, no? Anong size kaya X? You want to get one, Daddy? Gusto mo? Bili ka ng something mo? Sige, no? Yan ang regalo mo sa birthday mo next year. Kumuha ka na. Yeah.
Blue Jays t-shirt lang.
Yeah. Sige, pagbigyan natin na nag-iisang lalaki sa ating pamilya. Tawa si Dixie. Dito ka pa bumili? Wala ba yan sa Calgary? Yeah. Is this not in Calgary?
No, this is only in Toronto.
Just kidding. I'm just using it my vlog to my husband. Yeah. No worries, yeah, it's okay. Let's go, Blue Jays! Yan, si Dada ay namimili ng ang kanyang t-shirts. So, much ba yung isa dito? Let's see kung magkano yung isa. Meron kaya dito? Oh yeah, here. Yun lang, hindi ko makita. Where's Dexy? Dexy, can you show me how much is this one? Can you show mommy? Oh, marunong ka ba magbasa? What number? This one lang.
Which? This?
The price. Here. Near. 9. What? What number?
9.
$2.99. It's $30. Yeah. Ayan, may masaya. May masayang tao ngayong araw na to. Ayan. Ayun! May nakabili. Nakabingwit siya. Ayan. O, kasi daddy lang. Ayan. Nakabingwit ang daddy namin.
In 200 meters, keep right. And then, keep right.
Pearson na kami.
Departure, arrival. Saan tayo?
So, dito pala isosoli yung car.
Yo bro, Enterprise. Where's
Yeah.
the Enterprise?
So, after namin sa CN Tower, dumiretso na kami here. So, I think it's mga 30 minutes din. Hindi naman ganun ka-traffic. So, yan. Dexa is riding a train. So, dito kami sa airport. So, magra-ride ka pala sa train here. Going to this is Terminal 3. Sorry about that. Yeah. You can sit down. You want to sit down? So, train. I don't know pag ganun siya.
Sheraton pala to. Gateway. Sheraton Gateway.
Okay, dito na kami sa Toronto Pearson. So maghanap tayo ng WestJet. Natingnan natin kung makapag-check-in na tayo. Here. Yeah, this is a washroom, Dexa. Yeah, here. So WestJet there. This is Toronto duty free. So dito kami ngayon sa departure area ng Toronto. Dexa! Yeah. So, hi. Say hi, Orin. Yeah. Where are you? What? Where?
Want to 8 points.
Airport. Toronto Airport.
Sit down to 8 points.
So yeah, maghanap muna tayo B1226. So I think, Dexy, mamili ka na dito ng anong gusto nyo. Kasi ang B17, lapitan natin. Pero ito yung mga madadaanan going there, guys. So, gusto nyo muna umupo. Kasi that B1, andun yun. Yeah. So, nung gusto ng ganito or dadaan pa tayo, baka may makita pa tayong iba. Smokies, burrito, Shanghai. They have noodles, I think, here. Let's see kung may ramen sila. And then, I don't know what a burger is that. Yeah. Yeah. And after checking in, and then nagpa-security check na din kami sa mga things namin. Ayan, dumaan muna kami dito sa Shanghai 360, dito sa Toronto Airport. So, bumili yung mga bata ng mga food nila. So, we tried their dimsum na to. Ombo, and then noodles sila. Sila gusto nila yung sabaw.
Yeah.
So, ayan.
And then black pepper.
Okay. So, no more like that, bebe, ah. Water lang. It's okay, okay? Daddy can get you water. Yeah. Or else, if they have something here, mag-order na lang tayo mamaya. Yeah. Yan, kain muna kami. Ayan, airport food. So, ito lang yung in-order ng mga kids. And then, noodles. Mamaya kukunin namin noodles. Pancit, gulay, then dumplings, and spring rolls. Yan. And then noodles. $30 na yan. Yan, dito yung mga plane before flying. Yan, gutom mga bata. So, mag-soup muna tayo. So, yan. Kinain na nila yung food nila. Lalo na tong maliit na to. Nagutom ata sa noodles.
Can I have one of these? One of these?
Yeah, wait lang natin to. Kasi mainit pa, okay? So, masarap din ata tong beef noodles. At parang tagal ko na hindi kumain ng beef noodles. Daddy is not cooking as beef noodles. Paluto kaya tayo one day. Tingnan ko yan. Sige, si daddy kumuha ng burger niya. B17 kami after the snacks. Ito yung akin. So, tinuturuan namin ng mga kids na magbilang ng mga things. Ay, ang ingay naman nun. Yeah. Tinuturuan namin yung mga bata ng how to take care of the things nila sa airport. So, ayan. So, nagbibilangan kami lagi ng things para masanay sila na kapag nagja-travel, they have to count and see. Dexa, why? You have to give this one to daddy. Why you put there? Yeah, we'll go to the washroom. The three of us go to the washroom, daddy. Ayan. Biyahe na naman. Who's excited? Ayan, Dexa, come on. Biyahe ng pamilya. Okay, go ahead. Daddy's in the rush na naman. Go, 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 girl! So, yan. Naka-boarding na kami. Where's that little baby? You can do it! You can do it! Okay, let's go. Let's go, Dexa. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's for you. Go ahead. Okay. Find number 20. Find your flight. Number 20. Yes, sorry.
Remove your mask before donning the oxygen mask and follow the demonstrated procedures.
We're moving.
For choosing WestJet as part of your journey today, please let any cabin crew member know if you have any questions or safety concerns.
Why are you excited?
Can't you going back home?
Enjoy your flight.
Yeah. Going back home? What's the name of your friend that you're excited to meet?
Rain.
Rain. Yeah. Okay.
And we can show her everything that it got.
Okay. You see? See how it goes and then afterward. Yeah. Take off. Bye, Toronto. See you next time. Bye, Toronto. See you next time.
See you next year.
See you next year.
We're going there again, right?
Yeah. What?
We're going there again.
We go to BC next year. British Columbia or Philippines. Where do you like? Philippines or British Columbia? Where do you like to go?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. That's US or US. That's US of A. Okay, bye
I
bye.
want to go to California so we can go to the Disneyland resort in California.
Aba, marami kang gustong puntahan. You have to save money. If you want to travel, you have to save money.
Fine, we could just we could stay in California.
What?
Stay in California and they could Disneyland in California.
Ba talaga lang ah?
Huh? Disneyland in California.
Okay, ayan na. Paakyat na ata tayo. I'm so excited with that. What's that word sound? Oh, yung baby yak ng iyak. Wawa naman siya. Oh. Okay, what happened?
The engine was broken and then they fixed it and then I'm sad because it's already nighttime and they might have to stay here for a whole entire night and I'm going to be uncomfortable
Yeah.
for the night.
So the flight is delayed 1 hour and 30 minutes, something like that, right? Supposed to be your flight 8 p.m. but it's now 9:30, and it's still
Supposed to be like,
we are in Toronto.
yeah, it's supposed to be like right now we should be home already, but
Not yet kasi 4 hours flight to.
Yeah, but
Anyway, gabi na siya. Here, tingnan nyo ang airport. Gabi na. Sorry about that. Say bye-bye and then Dexa will sleep na. Say bye. Bye. We're here in Calgary, Dexa. It's already midnight. Hi guys. Yeah. End of vacation. Dexa, end of vacation. Go back to school ka na tomorrow? Huh? Welcome to Calgary. Okay. Go down na tayo sa plane. Ayan po. Still our next vacation, guys. There our next flight.
On any of those flights, you are to go to the baggage carousels located on the arrivals level, and then proceed to WestJet domestic guest check-in on departures level. If you have any questions, I'll be standing at the top of the podium. Thanks for flying WestJet.
Thanks, WestJet. Yeah. Tapos na ang biyahe. Sa mga bata. Saan si Dexa? Dexa, where are you? Here. Si Dexa. Si Dexito eh. Welcome to Calgary Airport, Dexa. So, itong Calgary Airport. Arrival. Yeah. Okay, go. Go ahead. Go to Daddy. Daddy and Ate is there. Let's go. Come on, Dexa. Go ahead, Dexa. Go to Daddy. Yeah, go ahead. See?
Today's flight is quite long and overhead bin space is limited. If you do not require access to your carry-on bag during the flight, please keep forward now.
Washroom muna kami, okay? Washroom muna kami, Daddy. Washroom muna kami, okay? Dexa. Hindi nahilo ngayon si Dexa. Yes. Dexa, when Ate go here in Canada, she's only like your age. 6 years old. Daddy, get Ate here. So this is Calgary Airport. So dito kukunin yung mga luggage. Yeah. So 6 lang si Dexy nun. Nung sinundo kami ni Daddy kaya naalala niya. So what number? What number, Dexy? Hmm? Yeah. So dito lang daw kami sinalubong ni Daddy. Ano, na-imagine mo, Daddy, yung mukha ni Dexy? Kay Dexa? Yeah. So this is Calgary Airport. Ito yung kuhanan ng mga baggage. Yan. So hindi kami nag-book ng Uber. So magta-taxi na lang daw, sabi ni Daddy. Lapit lang naman kami sa airport eh. Yeah. Okay. Ate's luggage is here. So pina-check-in namin to. Libre lang naman din. Kasi nga always puno lagi yung mga aeroplano, no? Kaya they ask us if we want to check in 1 or 2 luggages. Yeah. So ayan na, okay na.
Lots of paint.
What are you talking, guys? I hear you're talking about what's your favorite when we go to Niagara. So, what's your review, guys?
Mine is the cruise, but the one in the tunnel that had lots of paint falling down was nasty for me.
Okay, what about you, Ate?
My favorite has to be like either the cruise or the Whirlpool Aero car.
So you have a good memories on that trip or that travel. Okay, that's a nice one. So we have to save again for another travel, okay? Don't spend too much when we go out. you, Dexa, don't always buy some toys, okay? Only important things so that we can travel.
Only not important things.
What?
To travel.
That's a good memories though, guys.